This angle side case is in what we call the ambiguous case. So when we have angle side, so in this case here, if we take a look at this, we have the angle. So we're given an angle, we'll call angle B is fixed, and side C, so angle side. Okay, this is an angle side situation where angle B is fixed, side length C is fixed, and that opposite side B is also fixed. That side B can take on this orientation, where this angle here is obtuse, but that side B could also take this other orientation over here, where that angle C is acute. So when we have this angle side case, it is possible that we have these two different triangles forming. Again, this one triangle here, okay, or we could also have this bigger triangle here forming. So we have two possible triangles that are forming when we have angle side. So this is what we call the ambiguous case. So angle side is our ambiguous case. And this happens to be related to theta 1, theta 2, and I'll show you why. When we take a look at the angle that we calculate here, we'll call that C, we'll call that C1. This angle here is going to be the opposite side that we solve for. So we have this B and B pairing, opposite angle side pairing, and then this C pairs with, maybe I'll draw it this way, we have the B and B opposite side pairing, and then that makes this C, side C, and this side C, and this angle C opposite side pairing. So when we solve for that angle C1, we get that angle in there. And the way that C1 and the other angle that we're going to call C2, this one here in the other triangle, the way that they're related is that if we take a look at this triangle here, this angle here and this angle here are really the same. So that's really C1. And the supplementary angle on the other side then, this angle right here, that supplementary angle is C2. So we can find the other angle as theta 2. It's essentially theta 1 and theta 2 that we had in the standard position circle. C2 is going to be 180 degrees minus angle C1. And it looks like this in standard position. Now, this is much more complicated to understand. So if you don't quite understand what's going on here, what you can't visualize this in a triangle, that's okay. But essentially we have our fixed angle here. We have the green line and red line represent our angle side. And we have the same here. We have our angle here, and the green line and red line is angle side. So they're both angle side cases. Theta 1 is then going to be the opposite side to the green side, and theta 2 is the same, is going to be the opposite side to the green side, but in a different orientation. And that theta 1 and theta 2, you can see that they are supplementary to each other, because this triangle, right triangle in the standard position is the same as this one here, which makes theta 1 and theta 2 supplementary to each other, or in other words, add up to 180 degrees.